Victron Energy SmartSolar MPPT Solar Charge Controller, Bluetooth. Victron Energy SmartSolar MPPT Solar Charge Controller, Bluetooth. Charge controllers for solar panels, 100V, 50 amp, 12 to 24 volt. Smart Solar Charge Controller. Solar charge the smart way with the Victron Energy SmartSolar MPPT Charge Controller to ensure that every ray of available sunlight is converted into usable energy while optimizing battery longevity. Maximize power output. With lightning-fast optimum power point tracking and intelligent charge algorithms, the Victron MPPT Solar Charge Controller makes sure you always get the maximum possible power output, even when your solar panels are partially covered in shade. 100A MPPT Solar Charge Controller, 12V, 24V Solar Panel Battery Intelligent Regulator with dual USB port, LCD display and timer setting on-off hours. Hassle-free plug and play. Skip the confusing setups. With smart 12V 24V auto recognition, installation is a breeze. Simply connect your battery first, ensuring a base charge for auto detection, followed by your solar panels, and let the controller do the rest. Total control at a glance. Take the guesswork out of your power management. The intuitive LCD screen gives you real-time performance updates and makes it incredibly simple to adjust settings, ensuring your lithium batteries are perfectly tuned for any home or commercial setup. 40A Solar Charge Controller, 12V, 24V MPPT Controller, adjustable LCD with timer, dual USB ports for RV, boat, cabin, off-grid systems, compatible with FLD LiFePO4, SLD, GL, AGM, Blue. Patio, lawn and garden generators and portable power. LiTime 30 amp MPPT 12V 24V auto DC input, solar charge controller built-in Bluetooth module, parameter adjustable LCD display LED indicators solar panel. Bluetooth function, LiTime 12V 24V MPPT controller equipped with a built-in Bluetooth module. Do not need to purchase another Bluetooth module, which can achieve remote control and display usage information. LCD screen and LED indicators. LiTime MPPT controller comes equipped with an LCD screen to display the system operation information and 4 buttons to operate in the menus. Plus, multiple LED indicators will help to indicate the state of the solar panel array, battery, loads, controller. LiTime 60A MPPT Solar Charge Controller, no built-in Bluetooth, 12V, 24V, 36V, 48V, auto, max PV input 200V DC, LCD display, solar panel regulator for LiFePO4 lead-acid battery. Additional components. The copper wire connector equipped in the accessory can increase the contact area between the wire and MPPT during installation, increasing the ability to transmit current. Protection upgrade. This LiTime product is covered by AIG Product Liability Insurance, effective from May 22, 2026. POWLAND 120A MPPT Solar Charge Control 12V, 24V, 36V, 48V, 60V, 72V, 84V, 96V, auto, max input 230 AVRI, solar charger, LCD display, intelligent regulator for AGM, gel, lithium ECT, universal 12V, 96V, auto sensing compatibility, 120A MPPT charge controller, seamlessly adapts to any solar setup with automatic voltage detection, 12V, 24V, 36, 48V, 60V, 72V, 84V, 96V, and massive 120A charging capacity. Features advanced battery customization options, smart LCD dashboard with real-time monitoring. The high-resolution LCD display provides instant visibility into PV input voltage, current, charging mode, stage, system warnings, and diagnostics. Vansdon 20A Solar Charge Controller 12V 24V MPPT Solar Charge Controller adjustable LCD with timer, dual USB ports for RV, boat, cabin, off-grid systems, compatible with FLD LiFePO4 SLD GL AGM. Patio, lawn and garden generators and portable power. Victron 40A Solar Charge Controller 12V 24V MPPT Solar Charge Controller Adjustable LCD with timer, dual USB ports for RV, boat, cabin, off-grid systems, compatible with FLD, Life PO4R, SLD, GEL, AGM, patio, lawn and garden generators and portable power. Victron 60A Solar Charge Controller 12V 24V MPPT Solar Charge Controller Adjustable LCD with timer, dual USB ports for RV, boat, cabin, off-grid systems, compatible with FLD, Life PO4, SLD, GEL, AGM, patio, lawn and garden generators and portable power. Upgraded 100A MPPT Solar Charge Controller 12V 24V 36V 48V LCD display battery, intelligent regulator max 100V input, dual USB for lead-acid lithium, diverse battery charging options. The controller is compatible with various types of batteries, including SEAL, GEL, flooded, and Life PO4. Reliable warranty plan. Offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Please feel free to contact our team for technical assistance. Our engineers are ready to provide advice and solutions to any issues you may encounter. Check the links in the description to find the best deal. Thanks for watching.